In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Godaddy website in just 5 minutes. This is perfect for those of you who want to duplicate a page within your Godaddy website for any reason, be it testing out new designs or creating a template for future pages. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you need to do is to sign in to your Godaddy account. To do this, simply click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the Godaddy homepage. Once you've clicked on Sign In, the next step is to enter your username and password. Make sure you type them in correctly to avoid any access issues. This step is crucial because it gets you into the back end of your website, where all the magic happens. After entering your credentials, you'll need to click on the Sign In button again to access your account. It might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once you're in, you're ready to navigate to the heart of your website. Now look for the website option. This can usually be found in the dashboard or in the menu of services that Godaddy offers you. Clicking on website takes you closer to your goal of duplicating a website page. Within the website section, you should see an option that says Edit Website. Click on this to enter the website editor. The website editor is where you'll be able to make changes to your website, including duplicating a page. To proceed with duplication, you need to find the website tab. This might be represented differently based on the Godaddy version you're using, but it's usually found within the editor. Once you locate the tab, click on it to open the specific page settings you want to duplicate. Next, we're going to use a feature that not everyone knows about, but it's incredibly handy, the gear icon. Click on this icon, which is typically located somewhere around the page settings or near the page you want to duplicate. The gear icon is your gateway to more advanced settings on your page. Once you've clicked the gear icon, look for the option that says Duplicate Page. This is exactly what you're here for. Click on it and Godaddy will automatically create a copy of the page you're currently on. The process is usually quick, but it might take a few seconds depending on the amount of content being duplicated. Congratulations! You've now successfully duplicated a page on your Godaddy website. This new page will have all the content of the original but will be separate, allowing you to edit it further without affecting the original page. Here are a few additional tips to help you get the most out of duplicating your Godaddy website pages. First, always double check the copied content on your new page. Make sure everything has been duplicated correctly, including text, images, and any custom coding you might have. Another tip is to use this feature to test out new designs or layouts without altering your live website. It's a great way to experiment with changes before making them permanent. Lastly, remember that while duplicating pages can save you time, each page should ultimately provide unique value to your visitors. Make sure to update the SEO settings for the new page to avoid any content duplication issues that could affect your site's search engine ranking. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to copying a page on your Godaddy website. I hope this tutorial simplifies your website management and allows you to create even more fantastic content for your visitors. Thanks for watching and be sure to check back for more helpful guides.